Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to crochet this flower with 2 layers. It's actually a lot easier than it looks. So let's get started. Firstly, you can use any types of yarn you like and any size of hook you want. And it's perfect to use the scrap yarns. For this tutorial, I'm using acrylic yarn and a 5mm hook. To begin the pattern, grab hold onto the tail and make a slip knot. Wrap it around your finger like this to make a loop. Then bring the working yarn through the loop. Insert the hook and make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, slip stitch into the first chain to make a magic circle. Then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And slip stitch into the magic circle. And we just created the first loop. Then again 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the magic circle. Repeat this 3 more times until we have 5 loops. Now that we have 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch into the chain space of the first loop. Two chains. 1, 2. Then place 3 half double crochet into the same space. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. That's 1. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 2, and 1 more time, 3. Then 2 chains. 1, 2. And slip stitch into the same space. Now the first petal is complete. Then slip stitch into the next chain space. 2 chains. 1, 2. Then 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains. 1, 2. Slip stitch into the same space. Repeat this all around until you have completed 5 petals. Now the first layer is complete, and we can move on to the second layer. To begin the second layer, remove the hook and insert the hook from the back of the first chain space of the first petal. Turn it to the back. Place the loop back onto the hook. Pull through and slip stitch. Let's do this one more time. Insert the hook from the back of the next petal. Place the loop back onto the hook. Turn it to the back and slip stitch. Then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in between the next 2 petals right here, like this. Three chains. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch. Three chains. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this until we have 5 loops. On the last loop, slip stitch into the first chain 3 space of the first loop. One, two, three, four, 5. Just to make sure that we have 5 loops. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. In the same space, place 5 double crochet. That's yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the same space. Now we have completed the first petal. Slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. 3 chains. 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the same space. Slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. And repeat this until we have 5 petals. On my last petal, 3 chains. Slip stitch into the same space. Slip stitch into the first chain 3 space. And 1 chain. Then cut yarn. Lastly, you can leave it as it is or add a button in the center. And that's all for today. Please consider to subscribe to my channel if you like today's tutorial. And don't forget to smash the like button and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!